Alright, let us see how to compile and execute C and C++ programs on a Linux system. So I have my trusted Raspberry Pi computer as the preferred Linux distribution. I have installed Raspbian or Raspberry Pi OS, which is a distribution or it is a derivative of Debian distribution of Linux. Now the commands and the steps to compile and execute will be same on any Linux computer. So we are going to use two compilers. The first one is GCC -- version is going to return us the version of GCC compiler we are using. So GCC stands for GNU Compiler Collection, and by default it accepts and compiles C programs. Now I already have a C program. So cat prog00.c. So this is a simple C program that I'm going to compile now. So the steps to compile it are very simple. Type in GCC -WALL. It means enable all the warnings. -std. Now we are going to tell the compiler what standard is to be used. We want to use C2X standard. So it is an informal standard. As of now, it hasn't been codified yet. So it may change in near future. And then we have to provide it the name of program file, prog00.c, and we can also let it know the name of the executable file. So -o and a.out. So by default also the name of executable that it generates is a.out. And if I hit enter, it is going to compile it and it is going to generate that a.out file. So ls-l a.out. So this a.out file has been generated, and the program was very simple thing, hello world, and I'm going to execute it now. So to execute it, we have to say ./a.out and it will execute it. You can see here output hello world. So this is how we can compile and execute a C program on Linux with GCC. So let me clear it. We can also compile a C++ program and run it with this GCC. So for that, the name of compiler is G++, and we can check the version. So let us go ahead and compile the C++ program that we have, prog00.cpp. So this is the C++ program. It just goes ahead and prints hello world. Now to compile it, we will reuse the earlier command. We will just go ahead and modify it. So the name of program is cpp. Since this is C++, we have to use C++ standard. So C++ 20 is the latest standard and G++. And if I hit enter, it is going to compile it and generate a.out file. And we can again check the timestamp of a.out like this. Just go ahead and execute a.out file. And here we have the output hello world. Now this was a Linux operating system with G++ and GCC. We can also use another Unix-like operating system. It is known as FreeBSD. So FreeBSD -version. And we are using 13.0 release P5 of FreeBSD. Now the FreeBSD has got CC and C++ as compilers. So I can say CC -version. And here we have the CLang as the backend. Now I already have copied both the C and C++ files in this system using file transfer protocol. Now compilation steps are very easy. We will just copy the earlier command. This command we are going to copy. And let us paste it here. and we will just remove the G part. CC, enable all warnings and use 2x standard for C programming, and that is the program file, and a.out. So it is compiling it. It has finished compiling it, and let us check a.out. See, it is showing us hello world. It may be a bit difficult for us to see because of the color and all is same for the prompt as well as the output. Similarly, we can use the C++ utility. So let me copy the command. Let's clear the screen, and the compiler name is C++ in FreeBSD and Unix like operating systems -- version, and it is also using CLang as a backend. Let us paste the command and modify it. So it is C++ -wall std C++20 prog 00.cpp -o a.out, and if I enter it, okay, it has compiled and generated the executable file a.out, and here we have the output. So this is how we can compile and execute C and C++ programs with various C compilers on Unix-like operating systems like Debian and FreeBSD.